back to my channel. So y'all, I'm actually in the middle of vlogging right now. So if you're watching this video, hopefully you watched the vlog from yesterday, because this is just like a continuance or whatever. But yeah, when I was vlogging yesterday, I ran in Ross. So while I was in Ross, I did a try-on haul, a fall try-on haul. So yeah, this video is gonna be that try-on haul. So yeah, I hope you guys like all the outfits. Everything that I got in this that I tried on was a medium, and everything was like $9.99 and up. I think the two-piece sets were like $13. Most of the shirts were $10, and then the leather jacket was $40. So yeah, that was the most expensive thing. But anyway, please watch to the end. Let me know down below which outfit or which top you love the best, and let's get into the try on haul. Okay guys, so I'm in Ross. Please ignore this head wrap. This is an impromptu video, so let's get it. So y'all, this first little sweater is like a lime green sweater. Also, don't mind the leggings. I wore these in the store. But anyway, this is a lime green sweater, and it looks like it's kind of see-through, but it's really not. And as you can see, the back is completely out. I love the little peekaboo back, and the fact that you can see like my tattoo. I really love that. I think this sweater fits cute, and I think even though it's a loud color, the fact that it's a sweater is appropriate for the fall, because the lime green color was just in. But yeah, it has a little room in it. I'm just in love with the back, y'all. I keep showing it because the back is just too cute. But I love the style of this, and I think that this sweater was $12.99. Yeah, it was $12.99. But yeah, you can pull it down, you can pull it up, and I just think it's really stinking cute. Like, I'm going back to get it. The next thing that I tried on was this two-piece set. So y'all, this could either be a workout set, or it could be just like running errands on a Saturday set. It is kind of tight, but I like it. It has a little peekaboo fabric on the legs and on the shoulders and arms. So I really do like that about the outfit, as well as it's a two-piece. So you got the cute top, and then it comes with a hood, so that also makes it fall appropriate, because you know, like when you're working out, you may want a two-piece suit because it's kind of cool. But yeah, this is a size medium, so you can see that it fits me really well. Like, some of my skin is hanging out, but it looks really good, and I just love the fact that it has a little part that you can put your thumb through. But yeah, this is a medium two-piece set, and I like it. I didn't get it because I feel like I could go up one size, but I was worried if I go up one size completely, it would be too big. But yeah, overall, I really like this. I think it is super cute, and I would run errands in it more so than work out. Okay, so the next thing that I picked up was this cute olive green sweatshirt. So as you guys can see, most of the colors that I picked up were kind of like fall colors. So yeah, the only thing that I'm showing you guys in this clip is the sweater, and it's like $9.99, which is really cute. I can wear this to work. I can wear this out somewhere. I can wear this on a date night. So yeah, I just really like this. It has like the quarter sleeves, and I just think it's cute. It fits me appropriately. I can pull it down, as you see. I can pull it up. So yeah, I just really like this. Is just a simple fall sweater and or little sweatshirt that I can wear to work or outside of work. So yeah, super cute, super casual. Love it. The next thing I'm trying on is kind of this mustardy, oversized sweater, and I like it. Even though it's oversized, if I roll it up like I'm doing, it fits. I have room, and y'all, this fabric feels so freaking good on my skin. I absolutely love it. And then there's the back. Sorry you guys can see my bra, but just imagine my bra not being there. So you got like kind of like a peekaboo at the back, and I think that this was $14, but I really like it. It fits, it feels good, and you know, I would pair it with like some UGG boots and some jeans, or some tights like I have on, and some boots or something like that. So yeah, I could wear it to work or wherever, and it's super cute and super fall. I love it. All right, guys, so the next thing that I'm trying on is this leather jacket. And as you can see, the arms are a little bit too big. However, I'm still going to rock it. So I got it zipped all the way up, but if I unzip it, if it still looks and feels good, please ignore my Equality Wins t-shirt. It's what I came in the store with. So yeah, that's just what it is. But yeah, overall, I like the color of this jacket. They had lighter tones and darker tones, and I like the fit of it. It's just the sleeves are a little bit too long, and I like up here you can actually button it and, you know, just kind of have like a different look. I see myself wearing all black under with some black heels, are really cute, maybe my hair in a bun or my hair down, and it's just like really freaking cute. I am loving it. I would probably go one size down because I think I did grab a large in this jacket. So yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know below. All right, guys, the next thing that I'm trying on is this two-piece little jogging sweatsuit, and it was $20. Y'all, I am in love with the freaking color. Like, the color is so nice and so cute. The pants fit, and they're comfortable. As you see, I'm just pulling them up a little bit, but they do fit, and they're comfortable. This is something that I can wear on a Saturday or a Sunday, like running errands on a Saturday, or something I can throw on Sunday after church. Again, ignore the t-shirt. I'm just showing you the room and the versatility this outfit has. But yeah, this is such a cute fall type of errand running outfit. I really like it. And again, it was $20, so really worth it. I didn't buy anything because I'm like, I got a couple more weeks before fall really sets in, but I will be returning to Ross next weekend when I get paid, and I will be copping these things. Oh yeah, and then there's a hood with a little fur on the inside. So yeah, just super cute, and I'm definitely copping this. Hopefully they still have it. All right, guys, so the second to last thing that I'm trying on is yet another two-piece outfit, and it is that mustard color. So yeah, I don't have a shirt on under here because I wanted y'all to get the full view, but it does come with the hood. And as you can see, this one feels a little bit more tighter than the other one, but as you can see, it is like super stretchy. So I like that it has the two lines going down the side, which is really cute. And it, like I said, it's a two-piece outfit. You can use it to work out, or you can use it to run errands. The fabric feels really nice, and I like it. It does not have pockets, which I am not happy about because y'all know how I feel about pockets, but it is a cute little two-piece suit that zips down the front, and I just think it's adorable. Like I said, I probably could have went up a size, but yeah, it's super stretchy, and I still will wear it. I just would probably change like my undergarments to be like a, you know, a more fitting undergarment, and, you know, I probably would just have like a little tank top or something under. But yeah, I would definitely get this to like run errands or even work out in. More so run errands, but I love the color because I feel like it's so fall. Reminds me of like pumpkin spice, even though I don't like pumpkin spice, but cute. So yeah. The last thing that I'm going to try on is this kind of like hoodie, and it is kind of like that teddy bear type of feel. So yeah, I really love it, but there are no pockets, as you see, and that is a no-no. Y'all know how I feel about freaking pockets. I need them, but this is cute, comes with the hood, and yeah, it's just super warm. So I think for the fall time, it would be really good, especially the color. Y'all, this color, this may be my color. Last fall and winter, I loved olive green, but this fall it may be this kind of burnt orangish. But yeah, I really like this. So let me know down below, what was your favorite thing I freaking tried on, because y'all, everything was super cute and fit me much better than anywhere else. So let me know. Hey guys, so I really hoped you enjoyed that try on haul. Y'all, I am loving trying on clothes now that I'm losing weight. The two-piece outfits were kind of my favorite. However, they were mediums, and I feel like I could have went up a size. I could have went up a size like to a large, because I feel like when you get two-piece outfits, they're kind of big, but they still fit. So that was good. Yeah, let me know what your guys' favorite outfit or favorite piece was. Me personally, I think my favorite thing was, I want to say it was either that simple gray sweater or the gray with the little peekaboo parts, two-piece outfit. I'm not sure, but yeah, let me know what was your favorite down below. And if you liked me trying on clothes at Ross, I'll do them more often. Just let me know down below, because honestly I felt like I fit the clothes in Ross way better. Like, they fit my body type way better, and they were cheaper. So yeah, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, go ahead and leave an article of clothing, an emoji down below, any article of clothing. Let me know you made it to the end, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Reporting live from the internet, signing out. Back to you, world. Deuces.